Hey, I'm Dr. Ekberg with Wellness for Life, and I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank everybody from my heart for your support. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, and with that support, you are all helping spread the word. As you know, this channel is about saving lives. It's not one of those glitzy channels about gaming or makeup or so forth, but it's a little more heavy duty. It's not as popular maybe, but it's possibly the most important topic that there is. It's about the health. It's about how the body really works. So thank you again so much for helping us share these messages, for helping us spread the word, and to continue sharing these messages with as many people as you can. Thanks for watching.